Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows 10 video. My name is Ed, and in this video I want to show you how to add a local user to your computer. So I want to add user 2 to this machine, for example. How would I do that? So you can right click start, go to computer management, and you can expand local user groups and users. Now in the previous video we spoke about user 1. If you right click anywhere in here, you can select new user, you can type in the user, just gonna give it a dummy password in this example. Now you have different options here. You can force the user to change password. So what happens is when the user logs in for the first time with this password that I've provided, they'll be asked to put in a new password. If I deselect that, the user account will log in with this password that I've set without a problem. You have the ability to force a user not to change a password. You can set the password to never expire, which is not the greatest idea. And then you can obviously disable the account as well. So I can click on create, close, and there's my user 2. Now in one of the previous videos where we added the user to a group, we can go over to a group and we can select them and type in user 2, for example, and user 2 will now be part of the operators group. Let's say I want to remove user 2 now, so I'm going to delete these two. So delete, yes, and I'm going to delete this one. So now if I go back to groups where I added user 2 to backup operators, you'll notice that members is now blank because the user has been removed. And that is pretty much how easy it is to add and remove users. Thank you very much for watching.